Hello friends. Today we will discuss about a common problem among the kids called worms. Any house where the children are there, worms is a very common one for them. So it's very important that for the worms, what kind of medication we should give and the common medicines given for deworming, whether has any side effect. If so, then how to counter it? And can there be a safe way of medication for deworming? These are the things I will explain today. Before that, we should know what are the common symptoms of worms. How to know whether my child is suffering from worms or not. Number one, if the child scratches the anus, especially during sleep or at night. Number two, there is grinding of the teeth during the sleep. Number three, the child keeps on digging the nose with the finger. Number three, there can be urticaria or skin rashes off and on. Then number five, the appetite becomes abnormal. That means either it may go down, loss of appetite, or it can be an increased ravenous hunger. If such symptoms are found, then we should suspect the infestation of worms in the child. Now we wonder that in a civilized society, most of the kids are being kept with a lots of care. No outside playing, no dirty water playing, no dirty soil play. Still, how the child gets infection? Always we are keeping in a well cleaned environment. Despite of that, the child gets. How come? It can be if the child walks on the floor barefoot, then through the small minute pores of the skin of the feet soles, the infection may come. The eggs may enter into that. And the other common causes could be the contaminated water if the child comes in contact with, if the unclean food is there, the raw fruits, etc., which are not cleaned properly. So these are the ways how these worms they get entry into the body. These are the very minutest form when they enter into the body in the form of small minutest eggs. And the favorite place for them is the intestine of the child. In the intestine they go, they stay, they hatch the worms, and those small worms they grow into big worms. Again further they will lay eggs inside the intestine. Like this the multiplication goes on happening and it keeps on happening. How to treat the worms? It is a common belief that we should give the deworming medicine to the child time to time if you want to get rid of these worms. So we must know when we are giving the child a deworming medication, what is it actually? The deworming medicine what we give, these are the chemical compositions. These are called vermifuges. Vermifuge means it's a chemical composition which is being consumed by the baby, and when that substance goes into the intestine, it kills the existing eggs, larva, parasite, whatever it is in the form of, the worms will get destroyed. But it is found that the children are being given this deworming medicine as a routine medication once in few months, once in 3 months, 6 months, like that. Is it really actually required? As a doctor, I would advise, because these are not the safe compositions, not the harmless compositions which should be consumed by a child regularly. Hence, it is advisable, unless until the child gets the symptoms of worm, it should not be given. Another caution is the side effect of this deworming medicine. Many notice that after deworming medicine, the child develop nausea, vomiting sensation or vomiting, then loss of appetite, etc. The reason is quite clear, because the vermifuge what is being consumed, it is as such not a healthy thing to be consumed. So sometimes in many cases the body reacts to that. That is why it happens. So that is number one disadvantage with the routine deworming medicines. Number two is, does it really make you away from the worms, or it is only a temporary clearance of the worms? Yes, in order to understand this fact, we have to understand the alternative system of medicine which offers deworming medication. So here I will explain you how homeopathy treats. Homeopathy never use vermifuge. It doesn't use any chemical composition to kill the bacteria or the parasite or the worms or the larva or the eggs. What it does is, it tries to clear the favorable circumstance in which the eggs grow into the worms. If in the intestine the eggs do not get favorable circumstance to stay, then they will get expelled automatically. Then where the question of hatching into worms remains. That is why in homeopathy, for worms, we give the medicine for a regular bowel habit. So the cause of the worms is not that the child has come in contact with the infestation, that is why it got the infection. The cause is that because inside the intestine, the circumstances are very much favorable for growing of the eggs into the worms. It is found that the kids who suffer from the worms repeatedly, their bowel habit is not so regular. If it is regular also, it is not a complete one. The stool doesn't get evacuated sufficiently. If the stool gets evacuated regularly every day and sufficiently and completely, then there cannot be a situation where the child will get the worms problem. That is why when in homeopathy we give deworming medicine, not only the worms gets expelled along with the larva, egg, everything, but also the appetite becomes normal because the bowel habit becomes perfect. So the normal appetite comes back and the general health becomes better. And it is already established, since it doesn't use any chemical composition for killing the parasites, hence there is no side effect. Now coming to the effects of the homeopathic deworming medication, the effects are more lasting than the conventional system deworming medications. Many times with the once or twice given this homeopathic deworming medicine, the child becomes immune to that, further it doesn't get that infection. So repetitions are also quite very few. So to get such important clues regarding our common medications, you may stay updated in our Facebook link, Dr. Meeta Clinic. Thank you.